Visora AI says it can tell you why AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini aren't recommending your YouTube videos and what to fix. That's a pretty specific claim. Here's what I actually found when I looked into it. So Visora AI is a cloud-based tool, one-time payment, no subscription, that analyzes YouTube videos through the lens of AI discovery rather than traditional SEO. The idea is that people are increasingly asking ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity what to watch and who to follow. Visora tries to tell you how those systems are reading your content and where you might be invisible to them. You paste a URL, it runs the analysis, and you get a report. That's the whole loop. Inside, you get an AI visibility score and an AEO score, that's Answer Engine Optimization, which basically tells you how well a video is set up to appear in AI-generated recommendations. There's an issues finder that surfaces gaps, and a query insights tool that shows what questions people are asking AI tools in your niche. It also generates AI-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags, so you're not just getting a diagnosis, you're getting suggestions you can actually act on. The feature I'd actually use is the white label report generator. You can analyze a client's channel, export a branded report, and charge for it as a service. That's a real practical use case. The front-end price is $16.97 one time, which keeps the barrier pretty low. This makes sense if you're a freelancer or agency looking to offer AI visibility audits as a service. The commercial license is included, so you can sell reports without extra fees. It also works if you're a creator who's already doing the basics right and wants to understand the AI discovery layer, which most people haven't touched yet. It's not for you if you're expecting a tool that will directly get your videos ranked. No tool can promise that. And I'll be straight, AI discovery optimization is still a new space. The way AI systems surface video recommendations is not fully transparent or